Hello guys. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a register and login system in Godot engine. In this video you will learn about how to make the database saving the users. To watch this tutorial you need to have knowledge about Python programming language because we gonna make the database in Python. Before we start, please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. So let's start. We will make the backend using Python Flask web framework. Open an editor and start a new Python script. Now import Flask module and JSON module. To start the database backend, make a new variable and call the Flask class including the __ name variable. When the script start running, run the database on a port of your choice and enable the debug mode if you want. Before you start the register system, you have to make a new JSON file to save the users. For making a new root in Flask, write the name of the variable that includes the Flask class, call the root function and name your root. Define the available methods for this root. Below this, initialize a new function. From Flask module import the request. You can check the method of this request, but this is not important because on this root there are only one available method. To read the incoming data you need to transform it into a JSON variable. Put the data of the new user inside a dictionary variable. For username and password we add the data of the payload of values. Of course you can append some default data because in this variable we add all data of the user. For example, I added a key named level. Open the file of the users. Fetch all the saved users. Make sure this username is special. In the case of this username is in use by another user, return a JSON response using JSONify method. Including the response body, it is important to send a response code. Now append the new user inside the variable that includes all users. Reopen the file and save the new data transformed into JSON. Remember, once you finish all the processes, don't forget to close the files. And erase the large data to make sure your computer RAM has free space. Now return a response. On successful requests the response code is 200. Now let's make a new root for login. Just copy the previous root and change the values. As we have made above, we need to read the data of the incoming payload. Open the file and fetch all users again. Check if this user exists. If not, send a response 404. If user exists, check if the given password is current or not. To make the code more understandable, I put the user data inside a variable. Before we send a response, it is important to close all the opened files and remove the large data from the variables. We have finished the first part of this tutorial. Now you have the basic knowledge about how to make the database for a register and login system. On the next video I will show you how to send request on this database from Godot engine to make the user sign up. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. Bye.